Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to share a hair mask made out of few ingredients that are easily available in our kitchen. Before that, if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe for more updates. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. In a blender, add 2 sliced bananas. Next, add 1 egg into it. If your hair is dry, do not add egg white. Then add a tablespoon of honey into it. Next step is to grind it very well so that the mixture is smooth and lump-free. Now empty the mask into a bowl and make sure to remove any lumps in the mask. If you do not, then you may find it difficult to get rid of the banana pieces while rinsing. And then lastly, add 2 to 3 drops of tea tree oil into it. If you do not have tea tree oil, few drops of lemon juice will work too. Now that the mixture is ready, apply it all over your hair generously from roots to ends and leave it on for about 20 to 30 minutes. Finally, rinse well with a mild shampoo, and the results will be very pleasing as your hair will be soft, nourished and healthy. Apply this mask once a week or so, as this mask will provide moisture to dry hair. If you found this DIY hair mask helpful, then please give it a thumbs up, share the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.